What he's doing here, if we're going to be a fucking debate nerd, actually is he's doing what is known as gish galloping, okay? And what he's doing is gish galloping, cherry pick data points from subjects that are not completely related, but only tangentially related in an effort to make himself sound like he's more...
So, it makes more sense that he might not have picked up on or been approached with some comments. That is a little bit biased, I will say that. However, it does fit with his character sketch from earlier on, and just the patterns that we've seen him develop throughout decades of the fight. So that's what that's based off of.
Each time I heard that there was any problem with
it's a one-way.
It was when Luber said, well, we have some issues here. When he quit, now, the day before that happened, we wrapped. And he came up to me and he said,
it's a one-way. It's a one-way. The arrow points this way. It's a one-way. The arrow points that way. The arrow points that way for us to go that way.
About the urgency on the fact of Democrats when it came to the administration. And they knew they really had 1 year where Democrats would be in control of Congress, they had the presidency, and there was an appetite to attack this kind of thing.
Wow.
Oh my god. What the f is going on? Oh my Jesus Christ.
Watch out, object on road ahead.
Bonds to both of you. Result? You wake up ready for anything. Proven quality sleep is life-changing sleep. Don't miss our weekend special. Save up to $1,000 on Sleep Number 360 smart beds, plus free premium delivery when you add a base. Ends Monday. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com. Thanks for listening to Reasonable Doubt on Podcast One.
fifth pull getting into an accident. That's what happens when you fucking people are bad patients. Holy shit. Man, this guy's not a lunch left.